keep your stock low, keep your availability high, and it's the balancing act of doing both of that.
We provide the nicer stores with competitive pricing, a wide range of products, reliable supply. Co-op Wholesale are a newly named company which derived from the co-op itself. So the co-op purchased us in 2018. We supply food and grocery products to thousands of independent retailers. We and Slimstock have got a very strong relationship, so within the 10 years we've been together, you've also got a good understanding of our business, as we have of what Slimstock can do.
We've always had like a really strong support system, I believe, with actually you being on site with us and kind of like doing it with us. We've always got to be competitive on price, be in line with what's kind of going on in the world, like the World Cup, what deals we can get on the back of that to drive sales, volumes and footfalls into the shops. We always want to maintain a really good service level, but within that we want to have an efficient operation where we cost save as much as we can without affecting availability and without affecting service level. So Slim 4 builds in seasonality, and it looks at the changes in spikes in demand, and it will try to build that into its forecasts. So it's looking at a couple of years worth of data where it'll notice these changes in different seasons, and it will try to build those in so that we're geared up for it before it's actually even happening.
Another big plus of Slim 4 is the promotional side of it, where we upload promotions into the system. So it splits the promotion into a specific buying in profile, which means that we're not going to be bringing in too much stock or too little in order to cope with each promotion. If there's a large order coming up, for example, Slimstock will usually prompt us that that's got to be ordered as well. Potentially, using other systems, we may not catch some of those which could affect availability.
So we've used Slim 4 to actually change delivery schedules and review schedules so that we are actually getting the deliveries in on a Monday and Tuesday and balancing the intake throughout the week. So Slim 4's allowed us to do that with the buying in schedules, where we can actually say that we want to buy it on this day and we want it to actually be delivered on this day.
Our availability is probably one of the highest in the industry, so that's a real proud achievement. We could be making over 100 POs per day, which is a hell of a lot. And by using Slim 4, we're able to, navigate through them efficiently and quickly and accurately, using all the information that we can see on the screen.
We're saving money where we can save money without detrimenting any service levels out to partners. We're just running a slicker, more efficient supply chain.
Looking at delivery efficiency and supplier schedules, being able to reduce the number of trucks on the road, which also helps a bit of sustainability. But it also means that the warehouse isn't taking, say, 5 deliveries when they could take just 2 or 3,
We've got a cost saving on shifts, nighttime rates. Staff have been redeployed into different areas, different shift patterns. I think Slimstock will just help us to just keep on improving what we're doing. We already do have a really great service level in the industry.
Transformation is not just about implementing systems, it's about teams understanding the values and what you're trying to achieve moving forward. Small sustainable changes can deliver strong long-term benefits.